To pull reports from the platform, start by navigating to the left-hand menu and selecting Activity. Here, you'll see several different reporting options: Simple Activity, Registration, Winners, Legacy, and Write Back. Each of these contains different information and serves a different purpose. Once the file is ready, it will turn into a blue link, and you'll be able to download it to your computer. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page before the link appears. Let's begin by looking at the Simple Activity CSV. This report contains only the most basic information, so it's generally not the most useful. It includes details such as the timestamp, which you should reformat into a readable format, the status of the game, whether it's live or in testing, the unique play code that's generated each time a game is opened, and the player ID for that session. It also shows URL play parameters, the win level the player reached, and the play result. For most games, the play result matches the win level, but in skill-based games, this field will show the score the player achieved. You'll also see the exit level, which indicates which call-to-action link the user clicked when leaving the game, and the exit link itself, which is the actual destination. If there was a play error, like a not started message or a play limit met message, that would also appear here. Again, we don't typically rely on the Simple Activity report since the same data is available in more complete reports. Next, let's look at the Registration CSV. This report is useful if you only want to see successful registrations without a lot of extra data. It includes the timestamp, the game status, the unique play code, the player ID, and all of the registration data. Since the win level is assigned as soon as the player registers, you'll also see that information included. Now, let's move on to the Winners report. This one only shows information for players who actually won something in the game. Anyone who played and lost won't appear here. Like the others, it includes the timestamp, win level, and game status, along with details about whether the prize was odds-based or a timed prize. It also lists the play code and any information provided in the fulfillment form. There are 3 unique fields in this report that you won't find anywhere else: prize link, prize code, and prize pin. These come directly from the timed prize table. The prize code is typically the name of the prize, the prize link is the unique link a player clicks to claim it, and the prize pin is, as you'd expect, the PIN code associated with the prize. This is especially helpful if a player reaches out saying they won but didn't receive their prize. You can pull this report and quickly find everything you need to resolve the issue. The next report is the Legacy CSV, which is by far the most commonly used. It pulls in nearly everything from the other reports, except for those specific prize fields we just discussed. You'll see registration data, fulfillment data, information about where the player went after leaving the mechanic, and any API status codes if an API is attached. A status of 200 means the call was successful, while any other number indicates it wasn't. You'll also find the play exit level and the play result here. Finally, there's the Write Back report. We won't go into much detail on this one since this particular mechanic doesn't use an API, but if it did, the Write Back report would include the request body, the response body, whether the API call was successful, and any other related details.